turning on that camera. We're recording, great. Okay, so okay, and then I don't even, where's the remote for this thing? Okay, so here we are. Here's that. Let me just show you so briefly with the YouTube camera. I just haven't been here. Let's see here. So this is what, well, that's close enough. This is the RT SF-7. Alright, that's what it looks like. It's supposed to come with a cord. It looks like that. It looks like that. And that's the back of it. And there is a close-up. It says RT. Okay, great. So we can see all that. So we'll just minimize the whole thing. Okay, so, and let me just zoom out from that. Move the camera down. Okay, fine. Yeah. Alright, so there we go. Now here is a, what is it? Let's see. No taping on. Okay, here is a RT 8056. Okay, and we have a tape in it. All right, so if we hold it up some, here's that. Here's the tape. All right, put the tape in. Hit play, and it plays. And we can go play either side all the time. Anyway, without getting all into it, it's got music search, either ones of these here. And these are easy to rebuild because it just takes one belt, because this has two motors. One motor for the capstan and one motor for the rewind and take-up reel. Okay, so that's what I like about these models here. And they have line in and just your basic features on top. The one bad thing about these models is that the little hinge is just a plastic hinge for the handle, and so they're prone to breakage. Okay, and they break pretty easily. But there's that one. And then over here is another. And this is the one that I have. Well, anyway, this is it says right here SF7. It's a Sugar model. It's stereo fashionable. It's a Toshiba. This one's got TV sound. If we plug it in, right? Plug it in and put the radio on. Let's see here, where's the radio? Give it some volume.
4, 2, 0. That's it. K-Love Weather from Airview AC. Whatever the weather, they'll make sure you're as comfortable as can be. Today's high 84. Partly cloudy, lots of sunshine in the afternoon. Next, a couple of days with no rain. Tomorrow's high 79.
And you put it on tape and you hit play. And that's at the end or the beginning. Let's see. Just do a little of that. Oh, I have it in line in, no wonder. There's the tape. That's been on that. So once again. So this will do that. It'll music search. Anyway, it works like that. This other one over here, the radio also plays. I just didn't play it. Okay, but this video is not necessarily about that. It's just about that I like this model, but I'm trying to find one where the handle isn't, you know, the handle will hold. It likes to fall down in to the darn thing. Okay, it's just a plastic in a plastic socket. That's all it is. So it's not going to come out. It's just anyway. Okay, so let me just get these out of the way. All right. Did I get my tape out? I did. Great. So just put this over here, put that over there. All right. So here is yet another one. All right. So it's from, you know, like there. Okay. So, all right. So I need my scissors to open this thing up with. All right. Okay. This should come with a power cord, like I showed you in the pictures on the screen. So there's that, and that one. I gotta stop buying these. I really like this model, but this was out there, and anyway, and nobody understands it like I do. At least I think so. So here it is. It's thrown in there, whippy-jawed. Okay, got that? So there we go. Yep. So we got some nice whatever. Okay. And I'm guaranteed the cassette deck not to work, but it takes like about a, I can't remember, a 4 or 4.5 inch belt. I think that's what it takes. Generic size belt. Alright. Let's see here. Well, have to cut into the end of this. Okay, so find any starting point. Alright. And, by the way, did I mention that, yeah, so here it's what? No, we don't need that. It's 11:52, April 13th, 2022. Okay, see that? Okay, so much for that. And then, okay. And then, oh boy, another one. People, why can't you, I mean, see this here? See that right there? They didn't even bother to unplug the cord from the back of this thing. Like the second or third box I've gotten like that. Okay, just ridiculous. Yeah, I'm still unpacking it. See, the cord is in the, wait, it's just still plugged in. Unbelievable. Alright. Well, it's, let's see. Well, the handle is not going down in. That's a good feature. Alright, so, oh, they packaged that up, but they couldn't unplug it from the back here. Golly. Wow. Okay. So, let me just get this off of here. Alright, so, okay, great. There's the cord. Fabulous. I'm going to get my cord. Alright. Here's my cord. Alright. Now, let me just say in advance that, say the rewind and fast forward things work, but I put a tape in, it doesn't play because the fast forward and rewind works independently of the belt driven capstan and take up reels. Okay, so anyway, so here we go. Plug it in, put it on FM, that's off. I heard the motor start up and stop. That should be radio. Some volume. Okay, we've got power coming to it. There we go. It's a little bit dirty, needs to be washed off and such. So. Okay, controls need to be clean. That's tape because the next position is off, so let's see what we can do with the tape deck here. Oh, it's got a tape in here. Oh, it's got a TDK AD46, for those of you that know what this is. There's a TDK AD46. Well, I'm going to put my tape in. My tape, which is a TDK Pro SM20 Professional, alright? But probably not going to hear anything. Let's see here. Come on now. That in there, hit play. So I don't know if you can see it there, but it's running along pretty quickly, right? Let's hit the other button here, right? So did it go the other direction? Yeah, it's going the other direction, but it's going quickly because the capstan belt has been broke. So it's just a matter of taking it apart, and of course you hit stop, hit eject, and you get your tape out, alright? I don't know if you can see in there, but that's got the rotating head deal. So again, it's gear driven by the singular belt, driven both things and such. And so anyway, it's just a, you know, small bit of time to take it apart, put a 4.5-inch belt in, I think that's the right size, and put it back together, clean it up, and clean the controls, and I'll have another decent radio, and hopefully the handle will survive. Okay, so anyway, these are nice sounding radios for what they are. I like them because they're small. They got a line in, okay, and so you can plug anything into them. And it's got the complete antenna, you know. There's the antenna. Very nice. Alright, so. And I will be selling off the other ones here with the questionable handles. But I'll be selling, yeah, anyway. Okay, so I've had too much fun. Good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed my little short time video of this. As I took a break, finally got home today. Not quite so tired. I'm still tired. We got the holiday weekend coming up here. Don't know if I have to work the weekend. I don't want to work the weekend, but I may have to because that's another long story. It's just, how do I explain this? You're only allowed to work so many overtime hours in a year, so it's basically capped at 20%. And all the people that have been up there, or that have been worked all through the year, have already used up all their 20% of overtime. So I don't use my overtime. So they tapped me on the shoulder and said, hey, we need you to work last weekend. So I had to work last weekend on a Saturday, which meant I only had Sunday to recuperate, which I'm dog tired as it is. But anyway, okay, gotta go. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And then I've got, let's see, let me just take the YouTube camera thing. Let's see here. I've got somebody interested in these couple of models here, so I need to make a video about that. I've got this one here. Got that one there to work on. I've got this one here to rebelt. And then I've got some other models I can't remember to work on this weekend. So I'm going to be making videos about the Iowa, the Hitachi, the Sonys. There's another Sony out there. Okay, so yeah. So I'm going to be working on that there. If I spin the, see if I spin this around, can I spin it around? There, hard to spin around, but there's that one. Okay, and then we got, yeah, that's it. Okay, so I'm having too much fun here with you. Let me hit wave. Let me hit finish. Good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching, and go put the YouTube camera up to YouTube. All right, so good day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Hit finish, blink, and then don't trip on that. Ding. And then we see here. Upload in HD, yes. Post now. Post now. Never delete. Post now. Great. Okay, fine. And gotta go. Is this thing still on? Goodbye. Thanks for watching. Where's the off button on this? Not focusing. Okay, there we go. That's me.